Senior Congress leader B. Janardhan Pujari said that the BJP and other political parties are opposing foreign direct investing, that many are unaware of the benefits of FDI, that it can help solve financial crisis and inflation. Referring to the BJP as an anti-farmer party, he said that the party has absolutely no concern for farmers. Listing out problems of farmers, he said that farmers lost 40% of their perishable products every day because of lack of proper storage facilities. Although consumers pay Rs 15 to Rs 20 per coconut in the market, the farmer who grows coconuts gets only Rs 6 to Rs 7 per coconut. If FDI is implemented in India, farmers can get Rs 10 to Rs 12 and the product can be sold for Rs 12 to Rs 15. Which will benefit not only farmers but also consumers. Stating that farmers produce in surplus, that this does not reach the market, but FDI will ensure the farmers will get good prices for their products. Regarding the impact of FDI on small businesses in India, he said that FDI will not have an adverse effect on small retailers because the country's retail sector has huge potential for growth. Revealing facts and figures, he said that India's retail sector handles $250 billion annually, a figure that is expected to reach $660 billion in 2015. Speaking about the advantages of FDI, he said that it will eliminate the need for middlemen as companies will purchase directly from farmers. Moreover, it will also generate a number of employment opportunities. He demanded to know how the opposition parties can oppose the FDI when the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Delhi have welcomed it. Congress leaders Kallige Tharanath Shetty, Vijay Kumar Shetty and Hari Krishna Bantwal were also present. The carcass of a dolphin was 6 feet long and weighed 100 kgs on Maravante beach. The dolphin could have died 4 days back and is believed to have been swept ashore on Friday. To mark the 15th anniversary of Raymond's Gym and South Canara Amateur Bodybuilding Association organized Classic 2012 competition. The winner of the 2012 Raymond Classic Award was Kishan Devadiga of Raymond's Gym. The most muscular 2012 award was won by Prakash D'Souza of Handsome Multi-Gym in Biri Kotekar. Once again, the main headlines. Yuva Janotsava 2012 at Beltangadi start with glitter and thought. Gandhi is still relevant to secular India? Filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt at Manipal. FDI benefits farmer and consumer, generate more jobs, BG Pujari. This is all in this edition. For more news, keep watching V4 News 24/7 or you may also log on to www.v4news.com.